Hello children, welcome for today's Crack NEET MCQs. Today we are going to learn the chapter Biological Classification. So now let us see the questions and answers. The first question, 5 kingdom system of classification suggested by R.H. Whittaker is not based on A. Presence or absence of a well-defined nucleus, B. Mode of reproduction, C. Mode of nutrition, D. Complexity of body organization. The correct answer is B. Mode of reproduction. So if you want to know the explanation regarding the answers, you can go to the description box. The details have been given, children, for your better understanding. Second question, maximum nutritional diversity is found in the group A. Fungi, B. Animalia, C. Monera, D. Plantae. The correct answer is C. Monera. Third question, in the 5 kingdom classification, Chlamydomonas and Chlorella have been included in A. Protista, B. Algae, C. Plantae, D. Monera. The correct answer is A. Protista. Next question, in which kingdom would you classify the Archaea and nitrogen fixing organisms if the 5 kingdom system of classification is used? A. Plantae, B. Fungi, C. Protista, D. Monera. The correct answer is D. Monera. Next question, in 5 kingdom system, the main basis of classification is A. Structure of nucleus, B. Mode of nutrition, C. Structure of the cell, A. Asexual reproduction. The correct answer is mode of nutrition. Now the next question, in the 5 kingdom system of classification, so which single kingdom out of the following can include blue-green algae, nitrogen fixing bacteria and methanogenic archaebacteria? A. Plantae, B. Protista, C. Monera, D. Fungi. The correct answer is C. Monera. So here children, whenever you read the question, so read with better understanding. Then you choose the correct option. Then you will get the correct answers. Seventh question, blue-green algae are included in which of the following groups? A. Bryophytes, B. Prokaryotes, C. Protista, D. Fungi. The correct answer is B. Prokaryotes. Now the next question, an important criterion for modern day classification is A. Resemblances in morphology, B. Anatomical and physiological traits, C. Breeding habits, D. Presence or absence of notochord. The correct answer is B. Anatomical and physiological traits. Now next question. So here 2 columns it has been given, column 1 and column 2. You read the answers or the words given in column 1. Then you match the column 1 along with column 2 words. So the correct explanation and some matching to be there. Accordingly, after correct matching, then you select the options given below. Which option is correct? Accordingly, you can choose it. You read out the children, then later you can choose the correct answer. Now the correct answer is A. A is the correct answer. Next question. So which of the following are found in extreme saline conditions? Eubacteria, cyanobacteria, mycobacteria, archaebacteria. The correct option is archaebacteria. That is D is the correct option. Then 11th question. So which among the following are the smallest living cells known without a definite cell wall, pathogenic to plants as well as animals and can survive without oxygen? A. Pseudomonas, B. Mycoplasma, C. Nostoc, D. Bacillus. The correct answer is B. Mycoplasma. Next question. So, which of the following components provides sticky character to the bacterial cell? A. Nuclear membrane, B. Plasma membrane, C. Glycocalyx, D. Cell wall. The correct option is C. Glycocalyx. Next one. DNA replication in bacteria occurs A. Within nucleus, B. Prior to fission, C. Just before transcription, D. During S phase. The correct option is B. Prior to fission. Next question. Methanogens belong to Eubacteria, B. Archaebacteria, C. Dinoflagellates, D. Slime molds. The correct option is B. Archaebacteria. Now the next question. The primitive prokaryotes responsible for the production of biogas from the dung of ruminant animals include the methanogens, B. Eubacteria, C. Halophiles, D. Thermoacidophiles. The correct answer is A. Methanogens. Next question. Archaebacteria differ from Eubacteria in cell membrane structure, B. Mode of nutrition, C. Cell shape, D. Mode of reproduction. The correct answer is A. Cell membrane structure. Next one. Which of the following are likely to be present in deep sea water? A. Blue-green algae, B. Saprophytic fungi, C. Archaebacteria, D. Eubacteria. The correct answer is Archaebacteria. Now the next question. Pigment containing membranous extensions in some cyanobacteria are A. Pneumatophores, B. Chromatophores, C. Heterocysts, D. Basal bodies. The correct option is B. Chromatophores. Now 19th question. The cyanobacteria are also referred to as A. Protists, B. Golden algae, C. Slime molds, D. Blue-green algae. The correct option is D. Blue-green algae. Now the next question. The most abundant prokaryotes helpful to humans in making curd from milk and in the production of antibiotics are the ones categorized as A. Cyanobacteria, B. Archaebacteria, C. Chemosynthetic autotrophs, D. Heterotrophic bacteria. The correct answer is heterotrophic bacteria. The 21st question. In Eubacteria, a cellular component that resembles eukaryotic cell is A. Plasma membrane, B. Nucleus, C. Ribosomes, D. Cell wall. The correct answer is A. Plasma membrane. The 22nd question. Some hyperthermophilic organisms that grow in highly acidic, that is pH 2 habitats belong to the two groups Eubacteria and Archaea, B. Cyanobacteria and diatoms, C. Protists and mosses, D. Liverworts and yeasts. The correct answer is A. Eubacteria and Archaea. Now the 23rd question. Select the correct combination of the statements. So 1 to 4 it has been given. We have to select the correct combination of statements regarding to the characteristics of certain organisms. 1. Methanogens or Archaebacteria which produce methane in marshy areas. 2. Nostoc is a filamentous blue-green alga which fixes atmospheric nitrogen. 3. chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria synthesize cellulose from glucose. 4. Mycoplasma lack a cell wall and can survive without oxygen. The correct statements are given below: A, B, C, D. So among this we have to choose the correct option. The correct option is D. That is first, second and fourth statement. Now 24th question. Bacterial leaf blight of rice is caused by a species: A. Alternaria, B. Erwinia, C. Xanthomonas, D. Pseudomonas. The correct answer is C. Xanthomonas. Now the 25th question. Thermococcus, Methanococcus and Methanobacterium exemplify: A. Bacteria whose DNA is relaxed or positively supercoiled but which have a cytoskeleton as well as mitochondria. B. Bacteria that contain a cytoskeleton and ribosomes. C. Archaebacteria that contain protein homologous to eukaryotic core histones. D. Archaebacteria that lack any histones resembling those found in eukaryotes but whose DNA is negatively supercoiled. The correct answer is C. Archaebacteria that contain protein homologous to eukaryotic core histones. Now the 26th question. In the light of recent classification of living organisms into 3 domains of life: bacteria, archaea and eukarya. So which one of the following statements is true without archaea? A. Archaea completely differ from both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. B. Archaea completely differ from prokaryotes. C. Archaea resemble eukarya in all respects. D. Archaea have some novel features that are absent in other prokaryotes and eukaryotes. The correct answer is D. Archaea have some novel features that are absent in other prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Now the 27th question. So which one of the following statements about mycoplasma is wrong? So they are pleomorphic, B. They are sensitive to penicillin, B. They are sensitive to penicillin. They cause illness in plants. D. They also called PPLO. The correct answer is B. They are sensitive to penicillin. 28th question. Curing tea leaves is brought about by the activity of A. Fungi, B. Bacteria, C. Mycorrhiza, D. Viruses. The correct answer is B. Bacteria. 29th question. All of the following statements concerning the actinomycetes filamentous soil bacterium Frankia are correct, except that Frankia can induce root nodules on many plant species. B. Can fix nitrogen in the free living state. C. Cannot fix specialized vesicles in which the nitrogenase is protected from oxygen by a chemical barrier involving teriterpene hofinoids. D. Like rhizobium, it is usually infects its host plant through root hair deformation and stimulates cell proliferation in the host cortex. The correct answer is B. Can fix nitrogen in the free living state. 30th question. For retting of jute, the fermenting microbe used is A. Methanophilic bacteria, B. Butyric acid bacteria, C. Helicobacter pylori, D. Streptococcus lactin. The correct answer is B. Butyric acid bacteria. So today we have learned about 30 questions from biological classification, children. Hope you must have understood. If you don't know why the answer is correct, you can go to the description box. Details are given for the correct answers. Okay, hope children it must be useful for you. So revise it. All the best for your NEET exams. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class.